Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best reel mowers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the budget-friendly Vevor push reel lawnmower. Priced at just $76.99. This mower is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable, eco-friendly lawn care solution. It features a 16-inch cutting width and a 5-blade design, which provides accurate and even cuts. The adjustable cutting height, ranging from 0.6 to 1.75 inches, makes it suitable for various grass types and seasons. Plus, it comes with a grass catcher bag to collect clippings, keeping your lawn tidy. In terms of design, the Vevor mower is lightweight at just under 15 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The ergonomic U-shaped handle is cushioned for added comfort, reducing physical strain during use. However, the mower's reliance on manual power means it may struggle with thicker or taller grass, and the grass catcher only collects about 70 to 80% of clippings, requiring some cleanup after mowing. Overall, the Vevor push reel lawnmower offers great value for the price. It's ideal for small, well-maintained lawns and users who prioritize affordability and environmental friendliness. However, it may not be the best choice for those with larger or more challenging lawns. At number 4, we have the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 push reel lawnmower. This 18-inch, 5-blade mower is designed with small lawns in mind. It offers a scissor-like cutting experience that ensures a clean, precise mow without ripping or tearing your grass. With 9 cutting height positions ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, you can easily customize your cut for a healthier and more beautiful lawn. The Lawnmaster stands out for its sturdy build and quality materials, including durable steel blades and 10-inch front wheels for maximum maneuverability. However, it's a bit heavier at 33 pounds, which might make it slightly harder to push for some users. It also comes with a grass collection bag for added convenience. While the mower performs well on small, flat lawns, it may not be as effective on uneven or overgrown areas. Priced at $109.99. The Lawnmaster is a solid mid-range option that provides a balance between performance and affordability. It's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to motorized mowers, but have smaller, well-maintained lawns. Coming in at number 3 is the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 push reel lawnmower. This compact and lightweight mower features a 14-inch cutting width and a 4-blade reel design. Weighing just 19 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The adjustable cutting height of 0.5 to 1.75 inches allows for precise trimming, making it suitable for small lawns and most turf grasses. This mower is an environmentally friendly choice, as it's completely pollution-free, noise-free, and requires minimal maintenance. The alloy steel blades are durable and provide clean cuts, which help prevent grass bruising and promote a healthier lawn. However, it's less effective on taller grass and may require more frequent mowing to keep your lawn in optimal condition. At $89.99, the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 offers excellent value for small lawn owners who want a simple, reliable, and eco-conscious option. Its lightweight design makes it easy to use and store, but it's best suited for well-maintained lawns with shorter grass. At number 2, we have the Great States 815-18 push reel lawnmower. This 18-inch mower features a 5-blade ball bearing system and 10-inch composite wheels, ensuring smooth maneuverability and even cutting. With an adjustable cutting height of 0.5 to 2.75 inches, it provides great versatility for different grass types and lawn conditions. The Great States mower is built to last, with high-quality alloy steel blades that stay sharp longer. The loop-style handle with cushioned grips adds comfort during use, and the mower is easy to assemble without the need for special tools. At 27 pounds, it strikes a balance between durability and ease of use. While it performs well on small to medium lawns, it may require more effort on dense or overgrown grass. Priced at $116, the Great States 815-18 is a fantastic option for those who want a durable, high-performing reel mower. It's perfect for homeowners who need a wider cutting width and appreciate a low-maintenance, environmentally friendly lawn care solution. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is the Earthwise 1715 16EW Push Reel Lawnmower. This premium option is priced at $129.99 and offers exceptional performance thanks to its 7-blade ball-bearing reel and 16-inch cutting width. Designed for cutting bent grasses like Bermuda, Zoysia, and St. Augustine, it provides a professional quality mow that's hard to beat. The Earthwise mower features a durable steel side plate design and alloy steel blades that stay sharp longer. With an adjustable cutting height of 0.5 to 2.5 inches, you can achieve clean and even cuts for a pristine lawn. At 21.8 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, and the 10-inch composite wheels make it easy to navigate. However, its premium price tag may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Earthwise 1715 16EW is the clear winner. It's ideal for lawn enthusiasts who want top-notch performance and build quality, especially for smaller to medium-sized lawns. Its superior cutting ability and durable construction make it a worthwhile investment for premium lawn care. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.